Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be baking chicken stuffed buns. You can stuff these buns with leftover veggies, meat, chocolate or Nutella of your choice. These buns are soft and will melt in your mouth. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this recipe. First, let's make a dough for buns. For that, into a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix. Two tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, mix well. This is 3 cups of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Combine these ingredients well. Transfer the dough on a working surface. Dust some dry flour. Knead the dough for at least 10 minutes to get a soft and fluffy buns. Knead the dough well until it's soft and smooth. Stretch and pull the dough as shown here. Add a tablespoon of oil. Rub all over the bowl so that the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. Now place the dough, add some oil, coat it well. Now cover the dough, keep it in a warm place for 2 hours. It should double in size. Now let's make chicken filling. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute it for a while. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 30 seconds. Here I've got 300 grams of chicken, boiled and shredded. To this, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, one tablespoon of soya sauce, give it a good mix. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Mix well. I'm adding 1 cup of water. One tablespoon of corn flour mixed in 2 tablespoons of water. Add some salt, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of this well. Once the mixture is cooled completely, transfer it to a bowl. It's been 2 hours now. The dough has risen, doubled in volume. Now let's cut them into equal parts. Take a portion of a dough, roll it evenly. Keep a teaspoon of chicken mixture in the center. And place a small piece of butter on it. Seal the edges, bring the sides together, seal it well. Cover it with a cloth, let it sit for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk. Brush gently on the buns. You can use egg wash as well. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Buns are beautifully done. Leave it on the tray for 2 minutes. Getting a nice appetizing smell. It's very soft and fluffy. Give it a try. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.